become a king, that be a servant of your fellow ones. Even with servant ministers, we need to be like children before our fellow ministers. Luke 6:45. That a good person brings from the cave of the heart. So a person to keep himself or to control yourself inside of you, you need to be having good things. You cannot hinder abusing when it is inside of you. You cannot hinder lying when it is inside of you. So it needs us to clean all our kids so that it is filled with good things. So we may do good things that the Lord wants. Because that's what God wants us to be. We be the, as they have told us. So whoever could control yourself, all the steps that we've looked at, if you miss one, you find yourself that you fail to give the sacrifice. Because every step makes you reach somewhere. Every step makes you pass somewhere. If you receive all these steps, you will see that you please God as a minister. And you see that all the good things are in you. May the Lord bless you. Let's clap the servant of God.